welcome to the Chef School channel. I'm a professional chef with 10 years of culinary experience, and on this channel I share my favorite tried and true recipes with you. If you love peanut butter cups but you want a healthier, high protein version you can keep in your fridge all week, this recipe is for you. Today we're making no-bake dessert. These homemade protein bars are low carb, naturally sweetened, and taste just like Reese peanut butter cups, but better for you with much more nutrition. Here is what you need: natural creamy peanut butter, honey or any other sweetener like vegan coconut or date syrup, virgin cold pressed coconut oil, vanilla paste or extract, protein powder, any type, brand and flavor will work, 85 or more percentage of dark chocolate, a little bit of coarse sea salt for topping, and additionally you might add oats or flaxseed flour. Simple ingredients, big flavor. In a medium bowl, combine natural peanut butter, virgin cold pressed coconut oil, vanilla paste and honey. Mix until smooth and creamy. Next, add in protein powder of your choice, and if you want to increase the fiber content of these bars, add flaxseed flour. All ingredients amounts in different measurement types can be found in the description below. The texture should feel like soft cookie dough. Line a tray with parchment paper. Place the mixture in the tray and smooth the top firmly so that the bars hold together nicely. Trim any excess parchment paper and cover with cling film. Place in the fridge for about 2 hours or until firm. Add dark chocolate to a small bowl in a pot with water over low heat. Stir until completely smooth and melted. Do not boil the water to prevent the chocolate from burning. Pour the melted chocolate over the peanut butter layer. Spread the chocolate with a spatula so the chocolate spreads evenly across the top. Additionally, sprinkle with a little bit of coarse salt for the perfect sweet and salty finish. Cover and place the tray in the fridge for about 30 minutes to 1 hour until firm. Once set, slice into bars or squares. I personally love squares. It's much easier to cut from the bottom, so flip over the bar. Store these in the fridge in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. This recipe is perfect for meal prep. You can also freeze them for up to 6 months. If frozen, just let them sit at room temperature for a few minutes before eating, so they soften slightly, or defrost in the fridge overnight. These are rich, chocolatey, packed with protein, and seriously tasty dessert. If you try them, let me know in the comments how did they work for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy, healthy snack recipes. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!